Main Product Services Group. This query trigger is available under Business Segments and Product section. This query trigger enables you to find companies based on main product services classification of companies. All companies in the Prowess database are mapped to a product or service in CMI Standardized Products and Services classification. This mapping reflects the company's main economic activity as of a date. A company is classified under a particular product or product group if half or more of its revenue is derived from a particular product services or product services group. This query trigger allows search on the basis of CMI product services classification structure as well as the NIC classification. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger with the help of an example. Suppose we want to find companies which are classified under cement as their main product services as of March 2015. To execute this query, you need to follow 6 steps. The first step is to select the product from the Select from Product Services classification tree. Let us select the product cement available under cement and clinker, under cement, asbestos and abrasives, etc., under non-metallic mineral products. If you don't know the relative position of the product cement in the CMI's product services classification tree, then use the search facility. The search box available in the user interface is a pattern search box to find text within the product services classification. Enter the text to be searched and then click on the search button. The second step is to enter the appropriate date on which the search should be conducted. L is the default setting. Let us change it to 2015-0331 in the Query on Dates box. The date formats used in the Query on Dates are explained in the Help on Dates, which can be accessed by clicking on the question mark icon available just above the Query on Dates box. The third step is to select the frequency from the quarterly annual drop-down box. The frequency quarterly is selected by default. Let us change the default setting to annual. The fourth step is to choose the appropriate domain. There are 2 domains available, all companies and companies in current OSC. The domain all companies will conduct a search over all the companies available in the Prowess database. The domain companies in current OSC will conduct a filtering on the companies available in the current output sheet. The default selection is all companies. Let us retain the same. The fifth step is to select the appropriate output destination from the Select Output Destination box. There are 3 formats possible. The first is the OSC format, which lists the names of companies which satisfied the criteria in the query trigger. The second output destination is the WS, which is the worksheet, which displays the company names along with main product services data. The third output destination is the TXT output, which displays the same data in a text file. Let us select WS as our output destination. The sixth step is to click on the appropriate execute option to run your query. Since we have selected all companies as our domain, we can select any one of 3 execute options. These are add to current OSC and WS, send to new OSC and WS, and replace current OSC and WS. Add to current OSC and WS adds the names of the qualifying companies in the current output sheet and adds the qualifying companies with its data in the worksheet. Send to new OSC and WS creates a new output sheet of names of qualifying companies and worksheet of qualifying companies and its data. Replace current OSC and WS replaces the contents in the current output sheet with the names of the qualifying companies and creates a new worksheet of qualifying companies and its data. Let us click on Send to new OSC and WS. After the query has been successfully executed, the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs button. you will see that two outputs OSC and WS have been generated and are selected by default in the Output Downloader box. You can click on the Continue button to download both these outputs. The worksheet will display companies which are classified under Cement as their main product services as of March 2015. A new OSC will also be created which will display only qualifying companies. You can click on the output view to view the same.